Greetings YouTubers. Now today we're gonna make a 1000 sub special. Thank you to you all. I'm gonna make a Millimascus play button, and I'm gonna make it out of this milliput Damascus with yellow, black and white milliput. And first thing I'm gonna do is cut out the shape about this size. I'm gonna make it. Cut it out on my bandsaw, just cut it rough down here, and the rest I'm gonna sand, the belt sander, and yeah, now first of all cut it out. Okay, well, after cutting it into pieces, I got a nice piece here, and I think I'm gonna grind the surface a little bit more. So this is maybe the back side, this is the front side, but we'll see what pattern we get out of this. It's a pretty thick piece. So next thing we're gonna do is refine the shape on the belt sander, make all the curves and the roundings inside here, and maybe get some rounding to the outsides, so the pattern of the Millimascus will come out very nicely. And then we're gonna do play symbol in the middle, and we're gonna grind it out by hand with a die grinder. Okay, now after grinding the shape, rounding it out pretty good, I think it looks pretty awesome. The pattern came out nice. And next thing, we're gonna draw the play itself. I think that's good. Next thing, with the die grinder, we're gonna grind it out about 3 millimeters deep, so you can really see it and feel it. And then we're gonna sand the whole thing, buff it completely, and then it has a nice shine to it. Okay, now I think that looks pretty awesome, and now we're gonna go on and polish the whole thing. Okay, now I give it a buff or a grind with a 320 grit. Just gonna sand the whole surface till it's smooth and all the corners are pretty round. Everything, all surfaces are very smooth. Scratches, the big scratches are gone from the belt sander, and then we can go for a buff. Now this is before, this is after buffing. Now I think the colors came out very nice, as always, as you see. Again, before and after, colors are way darker. The black is really black now. The green, yellow green comes out pretty good. And now we're gonna print a sheet of paper where we have the thank you 1000 subs, and then we're gonna glue it onto there and hang it on the wall here in my workshop. Okay, well, forgot my camera at home, so need to take my smartphone. Should be no problem at all. So, printed out this nice sheet here for our nice play button. And what I'm gonna do next, I cut it out this piece of plywood, 3mm piece of plywood, more than enough. And now I'm gonna glue the paper onto the plywood. And then I'm gonna glue the button onto the paper. Okay, now use some CA glue, super glue, and glue on the button. Just gonna apply a few drops if it will come out. No, it won't come out. That should be more than enough. Oh, do not make it the wrong way. Okay, now centering and touching down. It already adhered, so it's not movable again. Super glue is very, very, very fast. I really like this stuff. Okay, well, now this gets my YouTube corner, I think. If I ever reach more buttons, I'll put them here, the self-made ones. And if I ever reach the silver play button, it will get up here. So this space will be free for all my play buttons I will ever get. If I ever get some real ones, they will come up there. And the self-made ones are here. So we got 100 and we got 1000. And I think the next one will be at 5000 or even 10,000. And then we're gonna make a real nice giveaway. Yeehaw! Yeah. Now, hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And thanks for watching.